Hey, what's going on everybody? Impromptu video. I got a ringy dingy at the door. FedEx arrived and I got a package. I think I know, well, I definitely know what it is. And I wanted to unbox it as soon as I got it because I want to play with it. Get in there. Just trying to be careful and safe. I think that's all we need this for now. All right. I love this stuff. Whoa. Get that out of there. My receipt. Oh yeah. Here we go. I just got the Sony ZV-E10. This camera I've heard a lot about. I needed a new vlogging camera and it's been sold out everywhere, as everyone knows. And Sunday afternoon or Sunday morning, I randomly just went on the B&H website and checked, and I couldn't believe that it was in stock. I said, this has to be wrong. So I purchased it, paid for it, and then I went back to kind of buy another one and it was sold out. So I think they only had one more left and I got it. So sorry to anyone out there who wanted it. I got it. So let's open this up. Whoa, that wouldn't have been good. All right. Here we are. Let's not drop anything on the floor. Paper, paper, paper. Get all the papers out. All right. Sony strap, which I never use because I have that cool, I don't know what they call it. It attaches to my wrist. But if I ever need it, throw that over there. Oh, this is adorable. This is adorable. Is this the little microphone? Like, is this the mic? Or does this just go over the mic? I don't know. Maybe it's just a dead cat. All right, plastic, get it out of there. Alrighty. We already know what this is. Charging cable, charging plug, Sony branded, nice, nice, nice. And it sucks that these don't come with wall chargers. I already have one, but it would be nice if it came with one, but let's put this down. All right. We have got a battery. I can't see if it's upside down or not, but this is the battery. Smaller than the one that I have for the Sony a7 III, which means I'm not going to be able to use my wall charger, which means I'm going to have to use, probably charge the battery while it's in the camera. And then the baby. Oh. The baby. Oh, looks like the lens is already attached. Ooh, yeah. That phrase is copywritten Bin Dong. I say it so much to him that now I say it. So shout out to Bin Dong. Oh, yeah. All right. Ooh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is, well, I haven't used it. I'm saying perfect as far as size. This is really, really light. Ooh. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to get, damn, I totally forgot. I should have bought a screen protector on Amazon so I would be able to get it delivered today. So I'm gonna have to buy a screen protector and the battery? I don't know if it's charged, but we'll see. Let's see. All right. Damn, this glare is killing me, but I think I got it. Nope. This way? Or do you have to lock it? I'm really having trouble. What am I? Oh. All right, this is the way it goes in. There we go. There we go. Let's turn it on and see what happens. And, oh, perfect. So the battery does work. And I am not going to set it up right now. I'm going to turn it off right now. And now I'm going to play with it a little bit. That's what she said. Until I have to go out to meet some friends for drinks, but try to give you a shot of all the sides. It's really nice. I could use this with all my other lenses. All right. Let's see, what else? If you didn't see, the battery and the the battery and the memory card go in the same slot right here. And I have already purchased a memory card, so I'll throw this in a little bit later. Let's see. Doesn't look like it has too many buttons you can customize. I'm hoping you could at least customize the ring and maybe the function button, maybe the menu button. It'd be cool. You probably won't be able to customize the menu to focus, so we'll see. I'm really liking this. It's a really cool looking camera. Nice and compact, and I cannot wait to start testing it out so I can put some videos up. Maybe my next Canon M50 video, I'll shoot with this camera. So that was it. I hope you liked the unboxing. If you have any questions about this camera, the Sony ZV-E10, just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. And also let me know what videos you want to see about this camera down below, and I'll do some videos on this. So I'll be doing videos on the Sony ZV-E10, my Sony a7 III, and the Canon M50 that I just got back. I'll have it for a couple of weeks. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.